how to add hanging indent on Word in your Windows and MacBook. So open up the MS Word application. Now open up the document in which you want to add the hanging indent. So there is a very small keyboard shortcut that you can remember in order to make sure that hanging indent is there in your document. So suppose I want the hanging indent in the first two paragraphs. Simply select these first two paragraphs. Okay, then you can press Command T. Okay, you can press the shortcut Command T on the MacBook and Control T on the Windows. Okay, so I'm going to press Command T here. Now you can see there is a hanging indent. Suppose you want the space to be more, little bit more, you can again press the Command T option here. Okay, then it will shift it a little bit. And if you want to reverse it, you want to decrease it, then you can press Command Shift T on the MacBook and Control Shift T on Windows. Okay, if you want it to be there on the whole page, then you can simply select the whole page just like this. Okay, I have selected documents in 2 pages. So again I am going to press Command T on MacBook or Control T on Windows. So as soon as I will do it, it will simply do it just like this. If I want to reduce it, then again a Command Shift T or Control Shift T, just like this. Okay, so this is how easily you can do it. So thank you for watching the video.